It's your boy Black Shark. Guess what came today? Got my top rack. Today I'm gonna tell you how to take the seat off and install the top rack. So before we start, you're gonna be needing a Torx bit. It's a T45. You can get this at Home Depot. For like $3 or $4, something like that. So T45. It's gonna be 3/8 drive, so you're just gonna need one of these. Also get these at Home Depot or wherever your hardware store is, and you'll be good to go. All right, so two things actually come with the top rack in the box. There's a top case rubber bumper that you're gonna need, and 2 hex screws. So let's get started. First off, we're gonna start by taking this Torx screw out on this side, and then one on the other side. So just unscrew them. It's kind of long. You're gonna wonder why, but I'll explain in a second. Same thing goes for this side. They're not too tight in there, so they come out pretty quick. Put it somewhere you won't lose it. Then pop the seat off like so. It's up to you if you want to wipe this down a little bit, just to kind of minimize all the dust and grime that gets collected. All right, so we're gonna put the rubber seal on it first. So you're gonna want it to where the ridges are on the bottom to protect the back of your bike. I'm gonna put a little bit of tape here to protect the paint and the plastics on the bike, so if I want to take it off later, it doesn't damage it. Probably won't do much damage, but just nice to be a little safe. Then we're gonna mount this just like so. Make sure the 2 holes line up, and then you're gonna take those 2 hex screws and put them in the top here. And your Allen wrench size is gonna be 532. If you have a set, then you'll definitely have it. I literally cannot believe that they would charge you. What are we, like 2 minutes into the video? I mean, come on. So now you got these 2 on here, bada boom, bada bam. A little New York City right there for you. Put the seat back on. Like that. Make sure it's snug. And then finally, you're gonna tighten these up. And your rack is installed.